From the beginning, Feather treated Sophia like that was her baby. If Sophia was crawling, Feather is beaning it after her. She wants to be in whatever moment Sophia is in. Feather was neglected in the past, and the lady didn't expected Feather to welcome them with open arms. Lady just trusted Feather so much that she knew that Feather would never ever lay a beak or a claw on her daughter Sophia. Whenever Sophia was upset, when she was crying, Feather would come and comfort her. The way that they connected made us feel like they had known each other in past lives.